Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asad Yaqub and I am from Lahore, Pakistan. But this time I am present here at Color Kahar. Color Kahar is a beautiful area very close to Lahore, and I'm sitting by the roadside. There is the lay-by area and I'm just sitting here. Anyways, tomorrow is 25th of April. And you know, it's going to be another milestone for many of you who are planning to take their Ielts test on 25th of April. Let me tell you, it's just a journey of life. And you know, sometimes the journey of life is very smooth. Sometimes there are certain issues, certain problems, certain opportunities. And these opportunities actually uplift us, right? So this is going to be a great opportunity for you. And this opportunity is going to uplift you. Now see, at present, if you think about Ielts, if you think about your exam tomorrow, it sounds like something, a burden, a problem, a trouble, or something like that. But you don't know, this trouble is going to make your life trouble-free. This tension of Ielts tomorrow is going to make your life tension-free. So get ready, relax. And there's another thing. You know, life always gives you opportunities. Life knocks at your door, right? And then you open the door and life tells you, now the challenge is Ielts. Now the challenge is studying abroad. Now the challenge is immigration abroad. Now the challenge is 7 bands in Ielts. So life always gives you the challenges, and you guys are lucky that you have chosen yourselves for this challenge, I would say. So tomorrow you have to prove that you are worthy. You are worthy to take this challenge, and you're going to come out of it, and you are going to prove that you are a challenging person. Boys or girls, you are going to be challenging, and tomorrow you got to face Ielts as a challenge, and you need to come out of it successfully. Now let me tell you, tomorrow it's only academic Ielts test, right? There isn't any general training, it's just academic Ielts test. So don't worry at all. Listening is gonna be fine, even if it is tricky. In my videos I've told you, you have to be double tricky. If listening is difficult, you have to actually be very well prepared for any type of difficulty. And let me tell you, during the exam, never give up. Don't give up during the exam. You should have the fight response and the fighting attitude towards the exam from listening until writing, okay? And reading is included as well. Now let's go on. You go to take the test. During the listening test, you got to tune your ears and all that stuff. Then after that, they're going to start the test. Write your answers down and be confident. Read the instructions carefully in listening. One word only, one word and or a number, no more than 3 words. Whatever the type of questions are, you got to be very, very vigilant. And let me tell you, now for example, if you are going somewhere and somebody tells you, be careful, when you walk through this certain area, there are lions and tigers and bears. Lions and tigers and bears, if somebody tells you. Now what you need to do, you have to look around. You will be very alert, very active while walking through that area, because you know there are lions and tigers and bears. So in the Ielts exam as well, there can be lions and tigers and bears, okay? I mean, it doesn't mean that invigilators and examiners, they are the lions and tigers and bears, but actually you have to be alert. I mean, you got to be alert by all means. While doing listening, don't yawn, don't feel lazy, don't feel relaxed. Be alert and active during your listening test, and during your reading test, you should behave as if there are lions and tigers and bears, and if you're not going to be careful, they are going to attack you, okay? So this is what you guys need to do in reading. And after the reading test, when they start the writing test, don't worry, read the topic of part 2, come back and do task 1, right? And after doing task 1, you can do task 2. I've given you my prediction already, so you can focus my prediction. That can help you as well, right? But first you need to read the question of task 2 and then task 1, and relax during the reading test. I know during the writing test, I know during the reading test, you guys are going to be somewhat stressful, and reading is like that. I mean, I would not say reading is difficult. I would not say reading is easy. Reading is the way it is, academic reading. So academic reading is actually the way it is. That's why you don't need to discuss this thing that it's easy, it's difficult. It is the way it is, and you have to be like the way reading is. Once you are the way reading is, then reading will not be difficult for you at all. So reading can be stressful, but then gradually you can come out of that. Take writing test and be optimist. Be positive. This is just a test in your life. This is just a challenge. You know, your luck is knocking at your door and you have to accept this challenge. Rather, you have accepted this challenge. Once your test is over, don't forget to send me your feedback. Don't forget to send me in listening what type of questions came, what was the topic of the audios and all that stuff. Then in reading, tell me the title of the passages, 3 passages. Then tell me about the question type, whatever it is. And don't forget to write your name, and then tell me clearly whether you took your IELTS from British Council, IDP or whatever. You got to inform that very, very carefully, and tell me your name, your city, your country, and then I'll make a video dedicating that video to you. So again, I would say, don't worry. It's a challenge. You have accepted this challenge, and you have accepted this challenge because you are worthy for this challenge. So don't worry at all. Everything is going to be fine. Asad Yaqub wishes you a fantastic test and a fantastic band score, a fantastic result of your IELTS test. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I run another channel, Asad Yaqub Vlogs. You can subscribe to that channel as well. From Pakistan, Lahore, Asad Yaqub wishes you all the best. Take good care of yourselves, and I wish you once again a fantastic band score in your IELTS. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Chalo, no.